Hey my love stones, welcome back to my channel. In this video today we will be doing a flip over quick weave. As y'all can see in the video, my daughter keeps me so busy, y'all. She keeps me up to date with all these hairstyles. This is actually my first time doing this style and it turned out beautiful. So what I did first was part her hair straight across for the leave out part, and I'm going to braid each section down. We decided to leave like a perimeter out, just in case she wanted to pull it up in a ponytail. So just watch the video and you're going to see me braid the perimeter down so that she can have a leave out all around. We really were right here debating on if she wanted to do a perimeter leave out. I was asking her, did she want to leave it up in a ponytail? She didn't want to have too much hair left out around the perimeter. So I just did a little bit around the perimeter so that her flip over quick weave could be full. So right now what you're going to see me do is braid down the perimeter for the leave out. This braid is not to be covered with glue or a track. This is the perimeter braid. I'm now going to take these braids straight back and I'm going to connect them. This will be the part where I will glue the tracks on. And y'all go in and be sure to oil the scalp so that the scalp won't be dry and itchy up under the cap. I'm now going to take my base and apply it to the stocking cap. And I'm going to set her under the dryer for it to be drier in about 20 minutes. I took a color outline and I outlined the perimeter of where I'm going to have the weave glued on her cap so that I won't get mixed up with the other braid, the perimeter braid. So here I'm going in, putting glue on my track, and I'm laying my first track. You want to lay the tracks in the shape of a U. You want to do that all the way up. And as you see me in the video, I'm going to do the U shape all the way up. So whenever you're laying your tracks in a U shape, you always want to leave like a little gap in the front part of her hair. You don't want to close the tracks up all the way. You want to do a U shape and leave that split like you're leaving the split like you're making a U. Leave the split in the front of the tracks. Do not connect the tracks. I do use my Got2b spray whenever I'm blow drying just for extra security. I feel that it helps hold the tracks a little longer. And y'all, I did forget to put her ears through the cap, so you want to make sure you go in before you start this process and cut her ears out so that the stocking cap can kind of hold in place really good. Okay, let's detangle the hair a little bit because after a while we are getting ready to go in and curl this hair. So now I'm detangling the hair, add a few more tracks. So these tracks right here, I am laying straight across to close up the U shape. I'm going to add maybe about 6, I believe, and go straight up the middle to close up the U shape. Okay, so now you're going to go in and cut all the extra cap off, cut around the perimeter. You remember where I drew the line? So we are going to cut there. Make sure you don't cut your client's hair. Make sure you don't cut the perimeter braids. So you want to just make sure that everything is out the way. I'm now going in, taking out my perimeter braids. We are going to get that hair flat ironed and blend it in with the weave. We did a little pull up just to see how it would look in a ponytail. So this is how it would look in like a messy ponytail. You could probably do a messy bun. I'm now going in, leaving her edges out. I have to go in and take her edges out before I actually flat iron her hair. Take your hot comb and your wax stick and start blending. Oh my God, I burnt my baby. I don't know, she started talking to me and I just forgot I was working with a hot comb because I'm used to working with a regular comb. So I burnt my baby a little bit. I told her I was so sorry. So y'all have to be very careful when you're working with the flat iron because you don't want to do what I just did. And I didn't want to take that part out because I do want to show y'all that we are human and things do happen. But I will try my best not to do that with a client. Thank God it was my daughter. So be very careful, and as I will always continue to be very careful whenever I'm working with hot tools. So now it's time to wand curl. I took pieces of the track hair and wrapped around the wand curler. I do hold it for at least about 10 seconds to make sure that the heat get through the hair to give it that nice crispy curl. I did go and use an anti-frizz spray before I curled it. Anti-frizz spray keeps your hair from frizzing in the humidity. I will place a picture here to show you exactly what I use for my humidity spray. And for my edges, sometimes I use that Got To Be spray to mold them down. But in this video, she wanted to use the Got To Be edge booster. So I'm using the edge booster to lay her edges down in this video. So now we're going to go in and split the curls in like 2 to give it some volume. Right now they're one piece, so we're just going in and splitting the curls. But you don't want to pull at them too crazy because you don't want to lose the curl pattern. I would suggest that deep wave is a good hair to use whenever doing this style. In this video, we use some body wave hair. Of course, the body wave the curl is going to drop much faster than the deep wave. So if you ever want that curl to stay, you want that deep look, get the deep wave tracks. I did use 2 bundles in this video. Probably in my video when I do my hair, I probably will use 3 bundles because I love really big hair. So we're going to see how that's going to turn out. You take your big teeth comb and you're going to comb right at the root to give it that volume. I wasn't sure how big she wanted it, so I kind of let her do her thing, play with it because she knows how she wants her hair. So I'm just tweaking it a little. We both tweaking it together, so we're gonna see how this gonna come out. for this to be my first time, I would say that this turned out so beautiful. She actually looks like she's in school. She's so cute. I'm so excited with how this video turned out. Y'all let me know in the comments what y'all think. If I could have did anything different. I mean, like, what do you think? Do you like it? Do you want to see me do another one with 3 bundles with deep wave hair to give it more volume? But she loved her hair, literally, like she loved her hair. And right here, y'all, she went through and combed the curls out even more. Like I said, this is body wave hair, and when she combed the curls out, this is the look that it gave. It gave a more bigger look. It gave a more loose, deep, well, I won't say loose, deep wave, but more like a loose wave look. I really like this look. I told her I think I like this better than the tighter curls, because like I said, I love big hair. So this is the final look. I thank you all for watching, and y'all like and subscribe to my video.